Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can graph this particular Excel file and animate it. Alright, so graphing an Excel file is easy using the insert the graph or whatsoever, and then but animating it is a different kind of thing. Alright, it's a different issue that needs Python. Alright, and in one video I showed you how I installed and set up my Python environment. Alright, so you can actually check the description box for the links of the video that or for the videos that teaches how to install and set up the Python environment. So let's go ahead and check how we can do this. Alright, first you actually need Python, that's one, and then Visual Studio Code. Alright, so this is my Visual Studio Code and the source code. Alright, so the source code, so this graph will actually look like this. Alright, so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so it has a lot of information in it. So you have Tokyo, like for example, it's in Asia, and the name of yeah, so it tells us how um, population grows in thousands. All right, so that's how it grows every year. So meaning to say, we were able to visualize this complicated data, and we were able to see which country is or has the fastest growing population, and it's animated, and that's what makes it um, interesting. Okay, wonderful, and um, kind of fun. All right, so let's close this and go with the source code. Okay. All right. So where's the source code? The source code is right here, and I have copied it in okay here, but there are a lot of problems. All right. Okay, before I come up with the functional one, and we're going to put that uh, in place, so everything should looks like this. Okay, so you will notice that there is a difference between the source code in in the pre in, here. All right, so it's different in this part. So my code is different in this part, wherein the file location or the um, path where you can find the file should be written like this. Alright, and then if you have set up your Python and name it in any way you want, and then you put the extension .py or .py, your Visual Studio Code can run it on its own. Alright, you save it, then upon saving it, you check for errors. Here is how to check for errors. Um, you can actually click this, and then it says here no problems have been detected in the workspace. That means your code is good to go. Then you click this one, and then you click the play button right here, and it will enable you to run the code. So let's try to run the code and produce the same results. So let's just wait for a while. Um, so the terminal is trying to parse the code or read the code. Yes, there it is. Work. Yeah. So let's take a look at it. There it is. You can actually save this, but you can only save it in PNG format. That means it's not the animated version. You can save it in a GIF form using FF and PEG, which I already taught you how to install and make use of in one video. So guys, please check the description of this video so that you will be able to know what are the things that I have done before uh, trying to run this animation, because there's like 12 or 13 lessons or steps for you to be able to run an animation like this. Okay, so it's quite complicated, but if you're going to follow the instruction, you'll arrive at the same result. So I'm gonna put the links of the videos down in the description box. If you guys have a question or comments, you can actually put it right down in the comment section so that we can help you. I know that making use of Python is very difficult, but we can help you. Okay, so stay subscribed to our channel and get updated. So hit that notification bell so that if I upload a new tutorial on how you can make use of your Python, you'll be updated. So that's a big help for a programmer or co-programmers like me. I know that that's a lot. Alright guys, so thank you for watching and see you next time.